Hello everyone, welcome to this series of tutorial where we are going to talk about the design patterns and how these patterns would be useful when we are designing our own framework using the object-oriented programming. So right now we'll try to make these videos a bit shorter so that you won't get board, and in each video we will try to make make things clearer, so right now the as the material or the knowledge which we are going to share with you is taken from one of the best-selling books known as Head First Design Pattern, and this is one of the best books. I would say one of the best book which would clear all the important concepts related to design pattern. So without further delay, let's start. So right now, this book started a conversation between a developer um, and the people who are giving the requirements to this developer. So right now what they wanted is they want to have an application uh, which is a duck pond simulation, where they should be having some application where the ducks would be displayed on the screen. They can swim and they should be able to quack as well. So so being a developer, what he decided was, okay, so he wanted to utilize all the important concepts of object-oriented programming, and let's see how he starts doing this design. So what he did was, he tried uh, he came up with this particular design where he wanted to have one duck class at the top, and which is known as the super class, or I would say um, where he will keep all the methods or the common methods which can be useful for the further subclasses. So what he decided was to go with the abstract class. The reason being, abstract class is something which cannot be instantiated by itself, and it is meant to be the superclass always. So what he decided was, whatever the common methods would be there, or the code which can be reused in the other subclasses, he can make use of it. And if it is not, then if there are methods, let's say in this scenario is a display method, because all the ducks look different, and in this scenario the display method, he made it abstract, and so that each subclass can implement its own version. So swim, as we know, swim is something like all the ducks swim in the same way, and same is the let's say at this point in time he decided to put the quack in the same superclass. So and then we then a may have different subclasses, or I would say the different variety of ducks. One of them is the mallard duck, which they are explaining in their example, and one is the red-head duck, and there could be any other varieties as well. So this approach he started, and what he wanted, this developer wanted everything to put in a single class, and uh, okay, so one by one we will see, like this is the design he came up, the first idea he came up with, and let's see in next tutorial how this particular design look like, and how we can improve this particular design to a more suitable one, so that uh, step by step we can see like what are the things, okay, what all uh, flaws are there in this particular design, and how we can improve it.